Hi guys, so it's been such a long time since, well, I wouldn't say it's a long time. Hey guys, so tonight, what time is it? It's late. It's about 11 o'clock. But tonight guys, I am going to be showing you how I take my nails off DIY at home. My nails are really bad right now and they have grown out really a lot, and I'm gonna soak this off at home. See, this one has already come off. I had this one, look at this one, is really bad. But tonight I will be taking off these nails at home so I can get them redone next week, okay, because I have an event. So what are we gonna need to take these dandy nails off right now? So, ta-da! I have some cotton balls that I'm gonna use. Of course, I'm gonna use this acetone. Acetone, you can get this at any beauty supply store. And I had tear some of these file paper, so that's all you're gonna need. So I'm taking out some cotton balls, and basically what I'm gonna be doing, using the using these cotton ball and acetone. So I soak the cotton ball with acetone, and then I put it on over my nail like so, and then I use this sheet of file paper and I will wrap it like so, wrap it over my nail, okay, ta-da. And I basically gonna do all of them like this. Just soak it with the acetone, the cotton ball, place it on the nail like so, and I wrap it up, let it sit on it for some minutes, probably 15 to 20 minutes on there. So this hand is basically complete. So just gonna do the other hand really quick. Tear these file paper. Get some more cotton balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cotton balls. Then this is gonna be really awkward to do the other hand, but let us do this. Let us do this. All right, let us work some magic here. All right, next one. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is let this sit for a good 10 minutes, not 10, a good 20 minutes on my finger, so we can soak off the acrylic off my fingers. And yeah guys, that's basically it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna begin to take this off one by one. Some of it is still on there. Look at this one, like crackle. Oh, how in your hand, with you God, I want you stubborn. Alright, let's try. Probably wanted to stay on it a little more, but hell. We cannot this, what we cannot do. Guys, it should be a little bit more easier to come off than this. Probably should have let it soak a little more, but it's coming off. Now that it's off, there's a few little more residue on my nails. So now I'm just gonna use this to rub off the residue that is on my fingernail. So then I'm gonna use this and brush it down a little bit. So guys, and now I'm done. Nails are complete, so I'm back to normal. So what I'm gonna do now is next week I'm gonna get my nails done by a professional. And that's it for this video today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video.